Students, what happens in the story is Lencho is expecting the rains to come soon. Right? He's the farmer, so it's very much natural, very much common for him to expect showers from the sky. He expects that there shall be rain and his cultivation will yield more and more crops. Okay? So he constantly tells his wife to not be anxious as he is very much positive that there shall be rain soon. Every day there is conversation between him and his wife where he constantly tries to assure his wife that there shall be rain soon, and one day it happens. Indeed, there is rain one day. Showers from the sky are there, and everyone in the family rejoices. Everyone is so happy in the family. But here the tragedy strikes. The tragedy strikes the family. And what is the tragedy? The joy turns into pain. The laughter turns into suffering. The shower from the sky, the rain from the sky, which everyone was thinking as a blessing, it turns into a curse. Very soon the shower turns diabolical and it becomes hailstorm. Okay, it becomes a hailstorm. अब वो बारिश नहीं रही, अब वो तूफान बन चुका है. Right, it becomes a hailstorm, and you know that when there are hailstorms, then crops are destroyed, right? So this is what happens in the story as well. The rains, which were considered as a blessing by Lencho and his family, it proves to be a curse for him and the entire family. It becomes a hailstorm and it destroys the entire crops. Lencho is heartbroken. He cannot just believe what has happened. And in order to survive, in order to come out of this crisis, in order to not die of hunger, he, from the depth of his heart, remembers God. I told you, students, in the beginning that this point you must keep in your mind. This is the crux of this story, that Lencho is having strong faith in the existence of God. He is a strong believer that God is there and God will help him. Okay, so one day he writes a letter to the God. He decides to write a letter to the God, and he asks for 100 pesos from God. 100 pesos, P-E-S-O, peso. Okay, it's like a currency, as in India we say rupees. Okay, so in some of the Latin American countries they say peso. So he writes a letter to the God and he demands for 100 pesos from the God so that he can survive this storm and he can continue with his life. Okay, so when he goes to drop the letter to the post office, the postman notices the address. The address says to God. So he's surprised. He opens the letter, he sees it, and he's amazed. And he proves to be a good human being, a kind human being. And then what happens? What happens is that he decides to help Lencho. He decides to help Lencho.